Hi guys, so I am Kashil Kasipasan. I'm gonna be doing maths tutorials or maths papers with you guys. The reason behind this is for my little brother, Vidar. He is in grade 10. Well, next year. But yeah, I'm only doing this for him because of a few things. Games, and yeah, being lazy. So I think if you're gonna be watching my videos, you're probably gonna be lazy too, because I'm lazy. So what I'm gonna do is, I did the first video before this one, and it was a bit boring. Like I wouldn't want to watch it. So I decided, how do I spice things up? How would I, if I was, not if, when I was 16, 15 years old, what did I love doing? And that was listening to music. So it was music. So we got some headphones or whatever those are. Oh, that doesn't look good. But yeah, so it's music. I decided I will put music in. So every day or every video, if we're doing a 2015 paper, or if we're doing a 2016 paper, or a 2019 paper, music never stopped being made. So we'll have a song before every video. You can listen to a minute for 30 seconds or whatever, just to learn some new music. And then we'll go into the actual work. So algebraic expressions and exponents is one of the first two chapters of the syllabus that I've seen. They're in question ones of all the papers. And let's start, I guess. No, not, we're doing music first, remember? So music. What's the song of today? Song for today. Song for today is... Song for today is Are You With Me? This is a hit number. You go for anyone's song, they're playing this song. 2015. You guys can search it, listen to it. Probably already know it, but enjoy. So, Are You With Me? By Lost Frequencies. Drink some margaritas by listen to the mariachi play at midnight. Now that we got that out of the way, we can start some work. Are you guys with me? Alright, 1.1.1. 8 is x to the 4 minus 81. They say factorize. So factorize. When you think factorize, you must know two brackets. Oh, it's breaking this thing up. Right. Breaking it up, first term would be x squared. Same basis, it's got exponents there. We add them, the x to the 4. We multiply them this way. Right? Then we are going to have a plus or minus, but it's going to be a minus and a plus because there's a minus, right? 81. What number? This is a difference of two squares. The problem. There's no center term. You know, you get x squared plus 2x minus 1. There's no center term. So then that makes it a difference of two squares. That's how you're going to know it's 9. Well, 9 times 9, you look for squares. So yeah, I think this question was 2 marks, but I don't think it stops there. There's 1 mark for that. The second mark is, because it's another minus, we can break it up further and it's a square. You can't really factorize this with the positive, right? factorize the negatives. So this would be x. Also have two brackets for this one. Here we got x squared plus 9. This will also be x. So multiply, remember, it's squared. Then it's also going to be minus and a plus. What's it going to be? It's also a difference of 2 squares. So it's 3 and 3. So there you get your other mark. Okay, cool. So 2 marks. I'm going to do the first two parts here. This is 1.1.2 now. And this is also for factorizing. What is this? Factorizing. Let's show you some cool stuff. You can draw a triangle and then make it look like a... Is it this one? Yeah. I don't know. Something like that. Maybe draw the triangle. I don't know. Oh, there's it. Cool. But yeah. So this question is also factorizing. It's a much longer. It's 3 marks. 3 marks should take you 3 minutes. X squared minus y minus 10x y plus 15 x minus 25. Mind my writing. It's beautiful. Now we look for common things to pull out. Pull it out and put a bracket. Factorize. So all these things are in common here, but 1x isn't it squared. So if we pull a multiple out, it's 2. Should be 2xy, because we can pull the xy. We're pulling it out of this, looking at them like a bracket. Then this will be 3x minus 5. Yeah, because that's going to make it 10x when you multiply it out. Multiplying them out. Like that. Then we got this one also. We can pull out a 5. And then you'll end up with 3x minus 5. Oh, cool. This is over cool. When you see this, you'll get excited. Check there. That's cool. So now we can group them. We can see it's the same. So it'll be 3x minus 5. We're pulling that whole thing out from these two. And then we can see that that's the same. So imagine it is a heartine. We pull the heartine out. Then we're left with a bracket of 2x y plus 5. So if we multiply all this, we should get that. And that should be 3 marks. Well done. So cool. This was the first video. Are you guys with me? I hope you're going to watch many more. Like and subscribe. That's it from Cassie Boy.